Hello and welcome to Day 3 of Digestive Disease Week 2023. I'm Ed Highland with DDW TV, supported by Ferring. Day 2 is in the books. Sunday was another productive day of meetings, sessions, and networking. Let's take a quick look back.
I'm Allison Godlove with DDW TV. Digestive health professionals from around the globe are converging on Chicago for DDW 2023. They're taking part in scientific and education sessions, as well as taking time to connect and network here in the collaboration station. There really is something for everyone. With Day 2 down, Day 3 is well underway. Keep it here. We'll have more on DDW TV, supported by Ferring.
Monday's slate is just as exciting, with more learning opportunities and interactive experiences. Here's what's happening. The day kicks off with scientific sessions, followed by more to see at the exhibit hall, DDW theaters, and poster sessions. Then it's the AGA Presidential Plenary, which you can watch in person or online. In the afternoon, we have 2 events you won't want to miss: the DDW session on saving the planet and the DDW Diversity Session and Reception, a special event to celebrate diversity, equity, and inclusion and promote relationship building among minorities in GI, supported by Takeda Pharmaceuticals USA, Inc. More event highlights and interviews are on the way on DDW TV, but first, here's a quick message from Ferring.
We're back in bustling Chicago with DDW TV. There's all kinds of new innovative research being unveiled here at DDW. Let's hear from the researchers. What is one takeaway from your research?
One takeaway from our research is that we need preventive strategies for early onset colorectal cancer, which is increasing nationwide. And in our research, we looked into aspirin or NSAID as a potential chemopreventive agent. And we look forward to examining this in clinical trials and potentially benefit younger populations.
What is one takeaway from your research?
So what we found was over the last 2 years during the pandemic years, there was a massive increase in the amount of alcohol consumption in older folks in the country. And this caused something called as alcohol-induced ACLF. And older patients greater than 65 years were having a higher number of transplants in the year 2020. But in 2021, when the restrictions got better, the alcohol consumption in older folks got better, and NASH cirrhosis overtook alcohol-induced ACLF as the predominant cause. So in 2021, there was a reversal. But in younger patients, there is a massive amount of alcohol consumption, and this got worse during the pandemic. And this actually causes something called alcohol-induced ACLF, leading to liver transplantation.
It's always fascinating to learn more about the latest research transforming digestive health care. Do you ever get hungry walking the exhibit hall? Stay tuned as we show you some of the goodies we found. This is DDW TV.
If your moderate to severe Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis symptoms are stopping you in your tracks, choose Stelara from the start and move toward lasting remission. Stelara can provide relief after the first dose. And only Stelara offers injections every 2 months, which you may be able to give yourself at home after just 1 IV dose. So instead of symptoms leaving you stuck with doubt, you can keep going with fewer flare-ups.
Stelara may increase your risk of infections, some serious, and cancer. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've had an infection, flu-like symptoms, sores, new skin growths, have had cancer, or if you need a vaccine. PRES, a rare potentially fatal brain condition, may be possible. Some serious allergic reactions and lung inflammation can occur.
Feel unstoppable. Ask your doctor how lasting remission can start with Stelara. Janssen can help you explore cost support options.
Welcome back to DDW TV. I'm Allison Godlove. The exhibit hall offers a wall-to-wall look at what's current in the industry, but it also has a few perks along the way. Let's check it out. Hi.
Hello there.
How are you?
Hi.
What do we have here?
We have freshly baked chocolate croissants.
Can we see one?
You sure may.
All right. Oh, it even has some powdered sugar on the top of it. So how has this been doing here at the Lilly booth?
Very much consistent. The aromas bring them in, so it's been very well received.
Is this the favorite?
I think so. At least at this booth it is.
Well, let's try it and find out.
Good?
That's good.
Now you know why they're coming. It's definitely why they're coming.
That is. All right. Let's go check out what else we can find. I'm here with Noor Al-Tamimi, who has been all over the exhibit hall so far. How's it been?
It's been wonderful, very exciting.
And there's lots of food out and about.
Yes, quite a lot of vendors. It's been very interesting.
So I've heard that the backyard kitchen here at Dupixent has really good sandwiches. So what do you think about trying them?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it.
All right, let's go for it. Oh, that's good.
Very good. It's very delicious, yeah.
It's a little spicy.
A little spicy, yeah. No, but I love spicy food, so this is great on the palate. Very good.
There's a lot of these on the show floor this year.
Yeah, absolutely. But this one's very unique flavors.
Yeah, I like it a lot, but I think that I want to go and be able to try some more. So let's keep going. There are so many options here on the DDW exhibit floor. See, I told you that there were some perks. So as you're walking around and you're connecting and collaborating and maybe you get a little hungry, you've got plenty of options. You're watching DDW TV, supported by Faring.
So we're at a really exciting time point right now. Microbiota is a product that was the first live biotherapeutic product that was approved by the FDA. It was approved November 30th, 2022, a landmark day in the world of C. difficile, because this is a product that offers opportunity for providers to use a product like this that supplements the microbiota to decrease rates of recurrence. It's awesome because for the last 10 plus years, we've been running towards products like this and looking towards the future and doing things in a very rudimentary way. And now we have an FDA approved product, and that's really exciting. People are incredibly excited about the whole live biotherapeutic pipeline of products, manipulating the microbiota, lessening disease burden, in the case of C. difficile, decreasing rates of recurrence. This is an opportunity that many providers didn't have previously before FDA approval. So we are really at a pivot point. We've opened up a Pandora's box with the regards to the microbiota and the colonic microbiota, and we now have FDA-approved therapeutics. Now it's up to us as scientists to learn from conferences like DDW about other disease states we might be able to help with manipulation of the microbiota. So the future is incredibly bright in this space.
You're watching DDW TV in Chicago. DDW is a great opportunity to learn and grow in your career. Let's hear from attendees about what is a must-see here at DDW.
A must-see is definitely the Samsung booth looking at intestinal ultrasounds for patients with IBD. I think it's a great way to revolutionize in a non-invasive way looking at bowel thickness for the colon and patients in the clinic visit.
Well, I'm really looking forward to meeting with some trainees who may become faculty at Emory. So that's a big focus.
So I'm here with my company. I work for a pharmaceutical company, and I'm here to learn about the liver, the gut, here for the first time to also network and meet different physicians. I'm excited to be at DDW and get exposure for the first time at Attendee.
I think a must-see is I really need to connect with all my collaborators and people. I'm actually an expert in cyclic vomiting syndrome. For those of you who don't know, it's an episodic, really it's a disorder characterized by episodes of nausea, vomiting, very debilitating. And so we have some really exciting research and work that needs to be done in this area. And so a must-see really is all my collaborators who are working with me on this.
There are so many reasons why attendees are here for DDW 2023. Tell us why you're here on social media. Use the hashtag #HereForDDW.
If your moderate to severe Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis symptoms are stopping you in your tracks, choose Stelara from the start and move toward lasting remission. Stelara can provide relief after the first dose. And only Stelara offers injections every 2 months, which you may be able to give yourself at home after just 1 IV dose. So instead of symptoms leaving you stuck with doubt, you can keep going with fewer flare-ups.
Stelara may increase your risk of infections, some serious, and cancer. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've had an infection, flu-like symptoms, sores, new skin growths, have had cancer, or if you need a vaccine. PRES, a rare potentially fatal brain condition, may be possible. Some serious allergic reactions and lung inflammation can occur.
Feel unstoppable. Ask your doctor how lasting remission can start with Stelara. Janssen can help you explore cost support options.
You're watching DDW TV in Chicago. DDW is not just a great place for innovation, it's also a chance to network. We got the inside scoop on how trainees and early career GIs are leveraging these great opportunities while at Digestive Disease Week.
It's an amazing opportunity to meet with the people that actually do the research that you read about, and getting to meet them and getting to see what they think about everyday situations that I run into has been very valuable for me. Making those connections is huge, and finding out what the latest and greatest is also fantastic.
This has been absolutely incredible experience. I've never been to DDW before. It's been amazing being able to connect with so many like professionals in the field, all in different aspects, and it's been really exciting.
I think it's overwhelming in the best possible way. It's so exciting to kind of learn what everybody else is working on, and it's very generative. You get new ideas, new projects that you're interested in, and you get to network with really brilliant and really kind folks, so it's unbeatable.
Networking is key to staying ahead in the industry. It gives you opportunities to exchange ideas on how to improve your work and a chance to build relationships that will last a lifetime.
There's one more day of learning to look forward to. Here's what to expect on Tuesday. To start, check out the DDW Clinical Late-Breaking Abstract Session, or the ASGE Video Plenary Session, which you can see in person or online. It's also your last chance to visit the exhibit and poster halls. In the second half of the day, catch the popular ASGE World Cup of Endoscopy, and to wrap things up, the best of DDW 2023, where you'll get top science from each society. A strong lineup you won't want to miss. In the meantime, stay up to date with highlights and watch bonus DDW TV coverage by visiting news.ddw.org. And if you haven't already, download the DDW mobile app. Just search for DDW. And be sure to stay connected by using the hashtag DDW2023 across social media. I'm Ed Highland. We'll see you tomorrow for more DDW TV.